Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video tutorial we will learn how to change user account picture on your Windows 11. So for this guys, just you need to open your Windows 11 settings. You can open Windows 11 settings with the help of shortcut. Hold Windows key and press I. Okay, in the left panel you can get the option accounts. As you can see, just click and open the account option like this, and in the right panel you can get the option your info. Just open it, and here you can get two options to change your user account pictures. So first option is this guys, from direct your live camera you can change your profile picture. Second option is this guys, from your PC you can change your profile picture of your user account. So from here you can easily change the user account picture on your Windows 11 PC or in your laptop. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.